Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we discuss the new chapter, and that is environment, and the learning outcome of this unit is by the end of this lesson inshallah students should be able to define about environments. Students environment के बारे में define कर सकेंगे. Know about how habitat. Everyone knew about habitat, where we live, where do we live, and the area where we live. And next objective, what do we have in our surrounding? There are so many things just like animals, plants. These are the things that we share our environment. Next, what do you know about environment? And last is, what is the difference between environment and habitats? These are the objectives of this topic. Environment. Basically, environment is everything around us, where something grows or lives, just like plants, animals, every and each things. Air, plants, water. These things are involved in environment. And now, what is habitat? Where a living thing grows and survives is habitat. Habitat is a place where something lives. Habitat provides two important things, and that is food and shelter. Habitat is a place where something lives, so habitat provides food and shelter for life. Animals live in a natural habitat which Allah Almighty created, and we human beings also live in a habitat. As we know that we are also a human beings, we live in a habitat just like every living thing live in a different habitats. But we have changed the natural habitat according to our needs. You will see natural habitat change, just like cities are also a habitat, but with the passage of time we change our habitat and with new invention, so our habitat change or our need. As we need new things, so we change our habitat. Okay, next, different habitats आप देख सकते हैं, just like desert, for polar and different types of habitats आपको इस पिक्चर में दिखाए गए हैं. Discuss about the different habitat. Different habitats को हम discuss कर लेते हैं. Habitats can be small and large. Some animal lives in a small place and some live in a large place, so that habitats can be small or large according to the animals. Example like pond and an open area between two houses or societies. Just like pond and an open area, two houses or societies. Snake, fish and different type of insect can be found in those small habitats, just like fish and different insects. These things are live in a small habitats. Habitats have different climates. Habitats can be hot or cold, just desert, jungles, lands. Some animals and plants which are a part of our habitat. We share our habitat with dogs, cats, lizards, rats. Okay. Now, where do living things live? Living things live in a habitat. What do you know about habitat? A habitat is a place where something lives. What are the different types of habitats? There are so many different types of habitats. Desert, polar region, rainforest, sea, river and oceans. These are different types of habitats, and in the animals are different types of these habitats. Jazakallah khair.